Well, hey there, y'all. So we are back in Catalina Island. As you can see, look at all that beautifulness. And today, we're actually going to the laundromat because we've been on the ship for 3 weeks. 3 weeks, and we need clean clothes, and it's a whole lot more affordable for us to go to a laundromat when we get to a port than it is for us to have the ship to wash our clothes. Plus, I like certain detergents that we use, and I don't really know like what detergents they use or anything like that, so I just prefer it this way. So if you remember last time we were here, with Travis's shenanigans, we ended up over at Vons so that he can get some chips and some cookies. So this time, he'll probably end up at Vons again because he just told me that they got a sale on potato chips.
$2.99.
So, the family bag of kettle chips is $2.99. So $2.99 or $3.99. It's something 99, he just said. So, yeah. And you could probably tell, so I've had a cold for, I don't know, maybe like a week or so. Kind of at the tail end of it, still, doing cough drops and my Alka-Seltzer. But, so last time we were here, I ended up not getting off. I was in the bed, and Travis got off. And, yeah, I'm tired. Travis got off and went over to Vons and got me some medicine. So, yeah, doing a whole lot better, but, still a little winded. But, yeah, so we're here and headed to the laundromat. All right, see you shortly. So, when you get here, they are really, really good at having signs. So, here at Catalina Avenue, they have the signs to tell you where to go. And the one across the street is the Vons sign. So that's how we ended up at Vons.
And you can go down that street or keep straight down here. Because if you go down that street, it's at the back. But the next street over, right out front.
I don't know if y'all can hear him because he didn't put a headset on. But he said if you go down that street, you'll be at the back of Vons. And if you go this way to the next street down, you'll actually be at the front. So, yeah. So we're going to keep walking. We're going to the laundromat, like I said. And see you in a minute. All right. So now we are at the next street down. And again, there's these signs I told y'all about before. But if you walk straight down this street, and this is Crescent and Summer Avenue, then you'll end up right at Vons, like right in the front of Vons. Yeah, so here's the sign, a closer up of the sign. And there's a street down there. You can probably see Vons. It's kind of far down there, but yeah, it's maybe like 2 blocks. What is it, like 2 blocks?
Yeah.
Maybe like 2 blocks down.
Right there.
Yeah. So right down there where you see the brake lights, it's right there. And we saw a lot of tents while we were walking. And I'm attracted to tents. So I see a tent and I'm like, ooh, what they doing? What they about to do? That's how I ended up buying a car. I'll tell you about that story one day. I think I just walked past a store that I am absolutely loving. It says sweets, handmade chocolates. Y'all see this? Oh my. I'm not gonna go in there now because we gotta get to the laundromat. I wanna make sure we got time to wash. But next time we come, I am definitely going in there. Oh wow, they got a bunch of stuff here. So they got a bowling alley and arcade games, sports bar prizes. This is called the Metro Marketplace Hotel. Oh, it's an actual hotel. Welcome to Three Palms. This is nice. Oh, that's a nice little game room here. I guess the bowling alley is in there also. There's hubs directing us to the laundromat. So it was a really quick walk. Wasn't bad at all. Got a vending machine with different laundry detergents in it. And it's nice and clean in here. Yeah, it's called Avalon Laundry. It looks like it's $7 to wash. You do have to purchase one of these cards from this fast card machine. And once you purchase a card, then you can use that to use the wash machines and the dryers. But, so it's $7 for the regular size, the front loader washers. These are $10, which are a little bit bigger. And then these are $12, which is like a commercial huge one. I guess you could just put all your clothes in there together if that's how you wash. And then it looks like the dryers are 25 cents and 40 cents, 5-minute minimum. Yeah, I don't know. We haven't done that yet. So once we actually do it, then I'll let you know exactly how to do it. But 25 cents there and 40 cents. I guess maybe that's the minimum you have to put on. I have no idea. All right, and then they have folding tables and everything for you to be able to fold your clothes. So, and like I said, I mean, it's pretty clean. A couple of dryer sheets on the floor, but that's kind of to be expected when you're in a laundromat. So, and like I said before, it's right next to like that hotel that I had mentioned, the one with the bowling and everything. And then there's like a nice little courtyard right outside that you can sit at while your clothes are watching, and has a pretty nice view there. All right, so Hubs got his chips and had to get laundry detergent because guess who was not managing the laundry detergent stash very well. And we got here and only had one laundry sheet. That would be me. So got laundry detergent and the clothes are in the washer, just sitting out in the little courtyard area. So our laundry expedition has completed and we are now walking back to the ship. Yeah, so go figure, but after we finished washing and drying, and I bought that card, and the card was only $1, but still, I found out that you can actually use your debit card at the machines. So they have the touch, you know, that you can use with the chip, or they had the swipe. So you could do either way. If I would have known that, I wouldn't have bought a card. But I told Travis, I was like, well, I mean, lesson learned, and essentially we know, you know, for next time, and we have a card just in case. So I think the card is only if you're planning on using cash. All right. So there is our home away from home for the next month, I believe. All right, so I believe that is it for our day in Catalina today. We are definitely coming back here again on one of our next excursion, or one of our next port days, since we'll be on the Firenze for some time. Oh yeah, I even turned my hair. Look at my hair, child. All right. So when you're getting off of the tender boat, then you come through here, and this area right over here is where, if you have a excursion through Carnival, I don't know about other cruise lines, but I know through Carnival that you come over here and see how it says Catalina Parasailing. So you come over here and then meet your group so that you can go for your excursion. I thought this was one of the tender boats, but it's not. This is actually one of the ferries that come from San Diego. They come from LA over here to the island. So if you just, you know, want to come over and visit, and if you want to go back, you actually buy tickets right there. There's a booth down there where you can purchase those tickets.
I can't do it no more. I should have did it years ago. I don't even think we had it.